Hey guys, so I'm just going to give you a little refresher on how to get to Teams and then things that are changing a little bit on Teams because we've just used it for morning meetings and stuff here and there. But our actual Larson's Learners on Teams has been deleted and it's been replaced with a few things. So I'm going to go over that and help us get to where we need to be and help you understand. I also want to change one thing about a view on Teams that makes it a little easier to understand. So first, I need you to go to Clever and get on Larson's Learners. Click on that Office 365. I already have mine pulled up here. So then you'll have this. Of course, mine may look a little different than you. I think I have a few more apps that I'm able to see. But you'll click on Teams right here, and it'll pull up this. So the first thing I want to do is I want to talk to you about switching this view. This view takes up a lot of space and it doesn't give you very much information of what you need to see. So what I would like you to do is I'd like you to click this gear and hit switch view. And I want you to get to list view. Okay. So when you go to list view, you're able to see all what everybody's saying, just like you kind of saw real quick, but that's a teacher's page. So I wanted to get off of that one. But you're able to see everything that's there. There's actually going to be 4 that you will have. You will not have Valley View 5th grade or OTB Valley View educators. Those are 2 that I'm in with, well, the 5th grade team and all the teachers at Valley View. So you'll have one for ELA Wonders, our reading program. You'll have one for math, one for writing, and then this one here is our one that we'll have for meetings. Now, meetings is going to be like I'll post the link to do the Zoom meetings, and I will post like morning meeting questions some days, or maybe have a little video for you. But we're going to try to keep our days as normal as possible with our morning meetings and just be able to still talk to each other. Okay, so when you're clicking in, just like we're in meetings, math will look the same, so will Wonders. But you'll see files if when I load them. I have not yet. I don't have any files loaded for anything yet. You'll have a class notebook that you can work in, and I can probably give another video explanation of that later when we get a little more into Teams. This is just kind of a quick overview and getting you to switch this piece. And then you'll have all your assignments. Okay, so on this side, you can see a few more things. You can see that there's an assignments page. And you can use this. You can come here and click here and go through and see them all. And that's fine. I prefer this page because it will actually tell you like upcoming assignments and assignments that you have completed, so there's no confusion. And there's one for each class. And I'll be able to like get grades out to you and everything. It'll be nice. Now there's also this activity here. Like you can see where Dr. Hafer has liked my post. She added me to this thing, and Miss Glenn added me here. And like when y'all make posts, when y'all were making posts on our other team, I could see everybody who made every post, and it made it really easy to see and do everything. So I think that is about it. Now, I probably will give you a closer look at this later, but just wanted to help you set up this side piece here and really talk to you about this Teams and how we're going to be using it a little bit differently than we have. We're going to be using it a lot. Okay, well, I will see you soon, guys.